Everyone wants to make passive income, but most people think it requires huge capital, special skills, or years of experience. The truth is, in 2026, you can start earning passive income from home with little to no money, if you know the right ideas. In today's video, I'll share 7 powerful passive income ideas you can start immediately, even as a complete beginner. Let's get started. 1. Print on demand. POD print on demand has exploded in 2026 because platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Shopify now allow you to upload simple designs and get paid every time someone buys your product. You don't hold inventory, you don't ship anything, and you don't need design skills. AI tools like Canva and Midjourney can create the designs for you. Create trending t-shirts, mugs, wall art, phone cases or hoodies. Once your products are uploaded, they can generate sales for months without extra effort. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most popular passive income sources. You recommend products from Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore24, or SaaS platforms like Shopify and TubeBuddy. Each time someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. You can promote products through YouTube videos, TikTok, a simple blog, or even social media posts. With a few pieces of content ranking well, you can earn consistently without creating new posts daily. 3. AI content creation assets. In 2026, digital assets made by AI are a new goldmine. You can create ebooks, templates, digital planners, YouTube scripts, social media content packs, faceless video packs using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory. Upload them to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Once someone buys your digital file, the system automatically delivers it, meaning you earn money even while sleeping. 4. YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels are becoming one of the fastest growing passive income opportunities. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. AI tools can handle your scripts, voiceover, editing, and visuals. Once your videos start ranking and monetizing with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links, they can generate income for months or years. Consistency is key, but one good video can change everything. 5. Selling your skills as digital products. If you already know a skill, like Canva design, SEO basics, social media skills, or even smartphone editing, you can turn that knowledge into a digital product. Create a mini course, a tutorial, or a step-by-step guide. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Gumroad require zero upfront payment. Once your course is uploaded, it becomes passive income that grows over time as people continue to enroll. 6. Build a simple niche blog. With AI, blogs are not dead, they're stronger than ever. With AI, you can write high-quality articles in minutes. Choose a niche like travel tips, tech gadgets, skincare, pets, or finance for beginners. Post your articles, add display ads like Google AdSense, and insert affiliate links. As your blog grows and ranks on Google, it begins generating income automatically from traffic. 7. Low content publishing. Low content books like journals, notebooks, trackers, coloring books, and planners are booming on Amazon KDP. You don't need to write a full book. Just design the cover and inner pages using Canva or templates. Upload to Amazon KDP, choose your category, and Amazon handles printing and shipping. Every sale earns you royalties with zero upfront cost. Conclusion: passive income isn't magic money, it comes from systems that work for you even when you're not actively working. Start with one idea, stay consistent, and watch it grow. Whether you choose AI digital products, YouTube automation, pod, or affiliate marketing, 2026 is the perfect year to start building long-term income streams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical online income strategies. See you in the next video.